So just last week there was an article published in the Jamaica newspaper which highlighted two persons, a politician Christopher Tufton and one other professor who was speaking out against Buju Banton and said since Buju Banton's release him too quiet and him owe the Jamaican people an explanation, right? Now since that article was published, listen, we get an upstir from Jamaicans who was in defense of Buju Banton and I say yo, Buju Banton no owe nobody no explanation. All we want from Buju Banton is just music, quality music. Let the man rest, make the man relax, make the man do him own thing, leave him alone, was what the Jamaican population was responding to that article that was released in the newspaper.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Welcome back viewers. If you are not yet a part of the Unstoppable family, please consider clicking that subscribe button and the notification bell. So once we upload a video, you will get that alert. So Buju Banton is getting some defense from former Prime Minister, the Right Honorable Percival James Patterson, better known as PJ Patterson. Alright, so PJ Patterson is defending Buju Banton against them politician there and professor who did I say, yo, Buju Banton need to give some explanation for his actions, why he went to prison. Alright, so this is what Percival James Patterson had to say.
Freed reggae artist Buju Banton has been given a resounding vote of confidence by retired Jamaican Prime Minister PJ Patterson. In a wide-ranging interview with reporters last week, Patterson, who launched the book My Political Journey, which chronicles his life up to when he retired as Jamaica's 6th Prime Minister in 2006, following a 13-year unbroken stretch as Jamaica's #1 policymaker, said that Buju Banton had committed the crime, served the time, and should now be encouraged to prepare for life afterwards.
Now, I 100% agree with what the former Prime Minister have to say. Seeing Buju Banton, if him did could do the crime, although we see video footage and things, right? Alright, so let's say Buju Banton do the crime. Him done serve the time already. You see, the man done pay for the crime where him commit. Alright, make the man move forward and live him life. There is no point or sense that him a go relive that moment, that experience, and I come talk about it. See, if the man don't do it, leave it where it is. When him good and ready, if him decide to say, yo, explain anything to anybody at all, leave that up to him. Make we jump back to the rest of the article.
Buju Banton, whose real name is Mark Anthony Myrie, returned to Jamaica on December 7th after serving almost 7 years and 5 months of a 10-year and 1-month sentence in a Georgia, United States prison for cocaine trafficking. The 45-year-old will be hosting his very first major concert on March 16, controversially dubbed Long Walk to Freedom, a direct relation to the title of South African great Nelson Mandela's autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom, published in December 1994, which highlighted, among other things, Mandela's early life and his 27 years spent in prison on treason charges.
So Nelson Mandela is down in history as a great freedom fighter. Alright, so big up to Nelson Mandela. Alright, now listen to what I say. Great. If Buju Banton wants to associate himself with greatness, what wrong with that? Me no see nothing wrong with that. Despite the whole drugs thing, see, the man done put that behind him and move forward, and the man say, yo, it's a long walk to freedom. He might associate himself with something great. You see what I say? Leave the man alone. Come on for the man name. Stop trying. That's the problem with most Jamaicans, you know. Black people on a whole, as a matter of fact. And that's the problem with we. We like, as me say before in the previous review I do, we like to sweep the dirt off our neighbor front door before we sweep the dirt off our own. You understand? We like to see people dirty clothes before we see our own dirty clothes. You see what I say? So we don't just come on for the man name and make the man live him life. Jumping back to the rest of the article, yeah, man.
When this was put to Mr. Patterson that there exists a school of thought that Buju, as a convict, was being glorified by vast sections of the Jamaican landscape, the former president of the People's National Party chanted dissimilar sentiments. It's not a question of glorification. He was convicted of a crime. He served his time. He wants to pursue his career in music. People found his message both compelling and alluring, as he himself said it's not an easy road. So he is gone through a difficult part of the road, Patterson stated. Buju has paid his penalty. There is no reason to condemn him in advance of anything he would do in future life. Certainly, when one reads all the evidence of the case, it's clear, very clear, that he succumbed to an inducement that he should have avoided. I think he himself would recognize that, said Patterson. an eminent attorney at law who many believe did not show his true worth and potential in the courtroom because of the over 40 years that he spent in active Jamaican politics. PJ Patterson.
I'm going to show you this too. PJ Patterson got his fear of the chastising too, because Jamaicans chastise PJ Patterson while he did in a power. Wicked, you know. Yes, I say, enough Jamaicans never like PJ Patterson. You understand? So, him know exactly what I'm talking about right now. We as Jamaicans, we need to just give people a chance. Listen to the rest of what the man has to say.
Mr. Patterson says he thinks that Jamaicans should give the reggae singer the space to reshape his life and career so that he can again become a positive influence on the Jamaican society. He is embarking on a resumption of his career, and I think certainly all well-thinking Jamaicans would wish him well and would hope that he will carry a message that will help to inspire and uplift our people at this time, Patterson suggested. Mr. Patterson's relationship with Jamaican music and artists is legendary, the highlight of which was his management of the now defunct Scatterlights band, which included some of the finest players of instruments that Jamaica has ever seen, among them the exceedingly popular trombonist Don Drummond, the most prominent Tammy McCook, Roland Alfonso, Lloyd Nib, among others.
Now this is just my opinion, nobody else's. This is just my opinion. I mean, no one probably can agree with me and will agree with me. See, Buju Banton, the artist, is what we care and concerned about. You understand? That is all me care and concerned about. All I want to do is hear some good Buju Banton music. All I want to do is hear songs coming out from the Gargamel. All I want to do is if you can hear if you go watch the artists perform. You understand? Yeah, nothing else me no care about. Me no care about nothing where I go on behind the scenes in the artist's life. The artist's personal life a film business. The artist's family life a film business. What the artist do in private time a film business. The only thing that concerns me personally is the man music. You understand? Because after all, Buju Banton's songs does touch lives, does touch souls, and does help a lot of people. We go through things more time. All you have to do is just turn on your radio, turn on your CD player and listen to some Buju Banton, some Gargamel. Yes, I say, strangest feeling I'm feeling. Yeah, yes, I say. So, them kind of thing they are what concern me. The artist gift where him get from Jah up above. See, the artist talent, that are what me concerned with as a person. See, so me don't want to hear no apology from Buju Banton. Me don't want to hear no explanation from Buju Banton. You see me? Because me I go tell you something, man. This I come from a lot of the comments I see in the comment sections. See, of a lot of my videos when it pertain to Buju Banton and them politicians. Yeah. The people them must say, yo, uno see a politician where I talk about Buju Banton. Why uno no come out and give some apology for some of the things them what uno do? See, why uno no come and give some explanation for some of the things them where uno do is what the people them want. See, the people them comment that in my video them all the while. I say, yo, uno politician, uno need to hear out, put out in the open the things where uno do and explain them. See? And come off of the man case. Leave Buju Banton alone. Buju Banton don't serve him time. Buju Banton want to live him life right now. See? Uno we in a parliament right now. Uno we I represent the Jamaican people. Right? And I do a bunch of foolishness. Uno need to come apologize for one and give explanation. And somehow uno need to go serve some time too. Yes, I say, because the things what uno are doing in a parliament, uno do the biggest, worst set of crimes right now in a house of parliament as politicians. Yes, I say, so uno will represent we as Jamaicans, we need an explanation from uno. Watch on man viewers, comment in the comment section and tell me if you don't agree with me. Because I don't feel like me alone feel that way there. You understand? I don't feel like me alone feel that way there. I feel like others out there agree with me when me say politicians need to own up for the things them where them do in a power right now. You understand? I mean, no care whether opposition or leading party. We are talking about the whole of them. We are talking about anybody we in a power. Whether them in a power or not, at them we are talking. As long as you don't call yourself politician, uno we are going with a bunch of foolishness. Me not gonna say everybody, you know, right? But uno know yourself. You see me I say, uno we are pass, we allow certain things to go on in the country. Uno need to come talk to the people them and address certain things and say, listen, we apologize and we are going to give an explanation for it. Alright, people, comment in the comment section. Talk to me. Tell me what you think about this whole thing. See? Do you? Yo, as a matter of fact, not even do you. Big up PJ Patterson in the comment section as a matter of fact for standing up for Buju Banton. You see what I say? At least there is a level-headed, sensible politician or former politician where can speak the truth and acknowledge that yo, the man don't serve him time. You see me I say peeps. So watch out now people, it's that time when me have to left this place and go probably go work on the next video or me don't know, probably go do something else around the house. You see me I say, but you know the usual already. Like, share, comment in the comment section, talk to me once you know comment makes sense, then me definitely I go respond to you. You know something, I might go live tonight. Yeah, I think I might go live tonight on that topic here, you know. Pop up on Unstoppable TV. If you don't want to join the show tonight, click the link in the description and subscribe to the live channel Unstoppable Live. Alright? Watch out, man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.